If you haven't been to Old Rhinebeck Aerodrome for a while, you need to know that there's a great new food outlet on site, the Aviation Grill. Daryl and his team are passionate about providing airshow visitors with not only a few of the old favorites, but lots of new and delicious food options to enhance your weekend visit.
So Daryl, we're here at Old Rhinebeck Aerodrome. We're in front of the Aviation Grill. Now you've been on site here for how long now?
I started here this year, and our whole mission here is to elevate the food, educate people that it's not just frozen fried stuff, but we have handcrafted, homemade, handmade food using fresh ingredients. Built this kitchen in the summer and we open in July.
Okay, and the idea is obviously to improve the offerings to people that are coming out for the Old Rhinebeck Air shows every weekend?
Definitely, definitely. We want to be able to create good food, handmade, fresh ingredients, and offer it at a good price.
And how have people taken to the changing food offerings here so far?
The word to me has been great. So people are surprised at what we're offering. They're surprised that we're smoking our chicken and turkey here, that we're hand pulling ingredients to add to our paninis, hand making burgers, and overwhelmingly it's been a good response. Right. Very happy.
And I understand that what was here previously had been here for a very long time. So while things are sometimes change slowly at Old Rhinebeck, this is certainly in the last 12 months, this has been a big change. And with the amount of time and effort you've put into the facility here, you're obviously here for the long haul.
That was one of the reasons why I built this kitchen out, was to show everybody on the staff, everybody that's part of this, that I'm serious about it. I did keep some of the classics that people love, the snow cones, ice cream, all the snack stuff. We have quick bite foods that people are used to having, stuff for kids, stuff for mom, stuff for dad. But yeah, it was important to me to put my best foot forward and let people know that we're serious about what we do and we're excited about the future. We want to be able to bring in our little aspect of what the aerodrome is doing in general.
So, vegan, gluten-free options, is there all of that sort of stuff available for people that have food issues?
Absolutely, and a lot of times what I do is, if we can, we will. So if somebody comes to me and says, hey, can you do something, we have this type of situation, if I have the means, absolutely. We do it on our food truck as well. If people are hungry for something and I have the means to feed them, I'm going to get it done.
Excellent. All right, well, we'll have a look around, Daryl. I hope things go well here over the next little while, and this is just a reminder to everybody that's coming out to Old Rhinebeck for the air shows that there's now an awesome new food facility here, and you can get a wide range of good food.
That's just it. Not just snacks, not just quick fried stuff, but handmade sandwiches, stuff on the grill. Enjoy.
So this summer, when you're heading to a weekend air show at Old Rhinebeck, remember you can visit Daryl and his team at the Aviation Grill and enjoy something from the great new menu. Real food made with fresh ingredients, cooked on site, and absolutely delicious. And if you're interested in seeing more awesome aviation action, both from Old Rhinebeck Aerodrome and elsewhere around the world, be sure to subscribe to our Historical Aviation Film Unit channel. So hit the like and subscribe buttons, and maybe even join up as a member for access to our exclusive members-only content.